recording.
Hey, neighbors. The first person that can identify the breed of the puppers in this next clip, you'll win a free customized Doorbell Dad Joke. I mean, if you want one. Hey, neighbor. How are you? Just out walking the puppers. I'm just out walking the puppers, and I had to tell you about something crazy that happened to me yesterday. I accidentally drank some invisible ink. Yeah, invisible ink. Yeah, hey puppers. Yeah, I had to go to the emergency room. Took me over 5 hours to be seen. Later, Gator. I'll see you at church. Okay. Let's go clean up that deposit you left in neighbor Kimmy's front yard. Let's go.